is up, everybody? We're going to do something a little different. Actually, I did this last year, but I don't know if I made a video about it or if I just never put it out or what. I went to it last year, and it's kind of neat. It's a bunch. I'm gonna say about as redneck of a thing as I go to every year. A bunch of guys with fucking souped up, you know, Jeeps and trucks and just, you know, the big special ones with like 2,000 horsepower motors and paddle tires and shit. It's kind of fun. Got my camera, gonna take some pictures. It's always nice to do something different. I mean, literally, this is like the one time a year that this is something like this is where I'd be going. There has to be better places to walk your child than the side of the fucking highway. And the good thing is, last year when I came here, we hadn't had rain in like, I don't know, a week or two. It was dusty as fuck. This year we only had rain for the last week. Like it even rained a little bit this morning. It's like nice and cool. It's a little bit sticky out, but hopefully that'll make the surrounding area better to, like, you know, hang out at, because they have, like, obviously there's the pit or the bog, whatever you want to fucking call it, where they go through, and then at the end it was just all dust. So you come through and they'd hit the dust and it was just so everything got covered in dust depending on what way the wind was blowing. So hopefully this year it's a little bit better. Places too, like, I know where this is. I went there last year, like, I know how to get here, but on my way, like, I say that and I just go flying past it. I'm fucking retarded. That's literally where I was going right there. I'm so dumb. I am so ridiculously dumb. I'm telling you that. I just start to say, like, oh, I know where I'm going. Yeah, oh no I don't, I just passed it. Like, full on just passed it. What I meant to say was, like, I know generally where this is, and I know what this road is. It's not like a place that's not known to me. I don't know how you want to say that. But I was sitting there on my way, like, trying to get here this morning, and I was like, or this afternoon, it's not morning. And I was just like, how do I, like, I know where it is, and, like, I could picture everything around it. For the last 2 hours. The air feels so good. But yeah, hopefully I got some, like, at least a couple good clips. So I took some slow-mo on my phone. I had the GoPro running for like a couple of the starts. I don't know how well it picked up because there was like, because obviously, like, this part of the helmet's in the way, and then there was a guy sitting to the left, but maybe it got a little bit of the start, so try to do it for the big boy ones, like the tube frame, nitrous. We throw a lot of money at this kind of ones. And then I took some video on my phone and also some pictures, so maybe some of that will get mixed in, or not my phone. I did take video on my phone. I took some video on my camera and pictures with my camera. So I might mix some of that in depending on how it looks. I don't fucking know if it's blurry or not. Trying to, like, track the car going while turning the focal length. Didn't really work all that well. It's a little bit choppy, and who knows, I might just use the starts or something because I know they're in focus, and we'll go from there. It can't hurt. I mean, it was a fun thing. It was like $10, which I guess is kind of a lot to go and sit and watch other people race, but like, man, whatever. Got me out, got some tan. Maybe got some tan, I don't know, I probably just burned. I'm so fucking Casper the Ghost, it's not even funny. The only thing is I don't know how well, I might have to just turn the volume off of pretty much anything I did with the big camera, because I'm pretty sure it's all clipping. Because when you're looking at the back screen of the camera, ow, it's gonna hit fucking right in the shoulder or something. If you're looking at the back screen of the camera, it has two bars for the microphones, for the microphone, whatever you want to call it, and it's like, I think it's just white, yellow, red. White being fine, yellow being it's a little loud, red just being straight, like way too much, and it was all in the red. So I'm pretty sure I just have a shitload of clipping videos. I might be able to turn the volume down, I don't know. It'll be an adventure, because I've got GoPro footage, iPhone footage, iPhone slow-mo footage, and Nikon D72 video footage, 7200. So I don't know. I think they're all, I mean, I know the GoPro's at 1080, the phone's at 4K. I don't know if it's, no, I think it does 1080 in slow-mo, 1080 120, or is it 720, I don't fucking know. I think it's 720 120 per second, and then I think you can do 1080 60 per second. I don't know. So I'm gonna have 3 different formats, 3 different styles, and maybe 3 different qualities, which is gonna be funny. It'll be an adventure. It'll be an editing adventure. And the funny thing is too, like, every run was only like 8 seconds, so it's just gonna be a shitload of little 8-second clips. Pop, 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 pop. Harley's too good.